All right, so today we're just going to take a quick look at some PLCNext code that's taking our Ohaus scale and then reporting a weight to us. All right, so looking at the code, it's really just a TLS socket, a TLS receive, and a buffer to string, which just takes the raw bytes and turns them into a string. All right, let's actually look at the code now. So what I've done is created a case statement. When we're in step 0, we've deactivated everything. As soon as I connect the scale, you'll notice that it jumps from step 0 to 10 to 20. So step 0 is close everything. Step 10 is connect to the scale. And if we're connected to the scale, go to step 20 to do some error handling. All right, now this code is very simple. Because I've written it this way, and I've set up the scale to only print on stability, which means it won't actually print a weight to my computer until it's stable. We place my iPhone on the scale, we get 0.543 pounds. You'll notice it said print across the scale, and now we have data in our string scale. So if I was to remove my phone, now is to add something lighter like this 3D printed pen holder, you would notice that as soon as the scale prints, we receive new data inside the PLC. All right, so we have new data over here. What are we going to do with it? Well, let's at least turn it into a real number. So what I've done is I've taken the string. I know that the length is 11 bytes or 11 characters. And I know that the starting value is going to be 1. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this big string, I'm cutting the string down to 11 bytes, which I've already done in the previous example, but this string could potentially be 22 bytes long. So we're going to take it and output a test string just so we know what it looks like, and then I'm just going to turn it into a real number. And if you'll notice that my scale has now been turned into a real number that I could do comparisons or other actions with.